Have you ever had a day where you barely did anything? Maybe just folded some laundry, scrolled your phone, made a simple meal, and yet, by evening, you felt completely drained? In this video, we'll share the hidden reasons you feel exhausted after doing nothing, and the small changes that actually restore your energy. And one of the biggest culprits is something you can't even see, but it drains you every single day. We'll get to that in just a moment. The truth is, exhaustion doesn't only come from doing, it often comes from carrying. Even on slow days, your body and mind may still be running in the background. That's why so-called rest days can leave you more tired than the busy ones. And later in this video, we'll share a simple breathing reset you can use to switch your body out of stress mode in less than a minute. What you don't see is the hidden wear and tear of stress. Your stress system is designed to flip on when you need it, like when your child cries out in the night or when an unexpected bill arrives. In those moments, your body jumps into action, heart racing, muscles tightening, thoughts speeding up. The trouble is when that switch never turns off, worries, family responsibilities, the endless loop of don't forget thoughts, they keep your body running in the background, like a machine that looks idle but never powers down. Over time, this builds up into what scientists call allostatic load, the slow drain of stress day after day. Even in a quiet house, your body may still be bracing, shoulders tense, breath shallow, mind on alert. No wonder you end the day exhausted. If this already sounds familiar, make sure to hit subscribe now, because we've got more videos coming that unpack simple ways to reset your mind and body. It's not just your body. Your mind can burn you out too. Even on a quiet day, your brain might be juggling a dozen invisible to-do lists. What's for dinner? Did I sign that form? Am I spending enough time with my kids? It's like having 20 browser tabs open at once. You're not actively using them all, but they're draining power just by being there. That constant load leads to cognitive fatigue, the fogginess, forgetfulness, and lack of motivation that makes even simple tasks feel like climbing a hill. You might spend the whole day at home, barely move, and yet by night your brain feels like it's been running on a treadmill. That's mental overdrive at work. Then there's the emotional layer. Holding it together for your kids, biting back frustration with your partner, carrying quiet worries about money or the future. All of that takes energy, even if nobody else sees it. And then comes guilt. The voice that says, I shouldn't be this tired. Other people cope fine. What's wrong with me? That self-criticism doesn't just make you feel worse. It actually keeps your stress system switched on, draining more energy. So what can you do to break the cycle? Here are 5 simple steps that make a big difference. 1. Breathe to reset. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Do that 3 or 4 times. It tells your body you're safe now. 2. Move a little. A short walk, some stretching, even dancing in the kitchen helps your body release built-up tension. 3. Schedule real rest. Put the phone away, turn off the TV, and give yourself 10 minutes of quiet, intentional downtime. 4. Reframe the guilt. Replace, I shouldn't be this tired with, my body needs rest, and that's okay. 5. Release the mental load. Write down the tasks in your head. Once they're on paper, your brain doesn't need to keep holding them. These steps aren't about perfection, they're about easing the pressure so your body and mind can finally rest. Which of these steps do you think could help you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear what you're going to try first, and your comment might even encourage someone else who's struggling. If exhaustion has started to feel like you're normal, you don't have to keep pushing through. With the right support, it's possible to break the cycle of stress and finally feel restored. So don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical videos on energy, stress, and mental health. Because you deserve more than dragging yourself through each day. You deserve to feel rested, energized, and back in control.